This YouTube video, I'm going to teach you how to design a perfect thumbnail for your YouTube video using an app called Inshot. This is an Inshot here. This is an Inshot app. So I'm going to teach you how to design a perfect thumbnail using this app. So the first thing that you have to do is to open this app here. This is it here. This is Inshot. You open it. When you open Inshot, this is the background that you see. The first place that you have to go to is these photos here. Go to photos. Go to photos. You click on photos. When you click on photos, already you must have some pictures that you want to use for your design, and the rest of them I believe you must have gotten those pictures. If you don't have, you can easily go to pixels.com to download a perfect photo that will be good for your design. Then go over to remove.bg to remove the background. So let's just head straight to the main thing here. So I'll go to my pictures, where my pictures is, the picture that I'm going to use for this design. I'll just go to it here, and then as you can see, these are most of the pictures that I've already downloaded for this thumbnail that I want to make now. So you get. So let's just assume we want to design a thumbnail for a YouTube video that says how to reset a WordPress site. As you can see, this is a WordPress icon, this is reset, and this would be good for us to design our thumbnail. So the first thing that you have to do is to select this one. Now this one here is black because I've already removed the background. I'm going to drop the link to remove the background on the description of this video. Also, I'm going to drop the link to where you can get quality pictures for your design. So let's select these pictures here. As you can see, okay, this is it. We cannot just design like this because this is not the size of a YouTube thumbnail. So we come over to this place where it says to this Canva here. This is where we resize the size of the design. You click on Canva. As you can see, you choose the perfect the size, and you know YouTube, the size of YouTube is, this is the size of YouTube, 16:9 when using InShot. When you are using InShot, so when you select the background, the next thing now is to drag this image to the perfect position that will allow you type the title and other stuff that you want to type. You get. So you mark it good when you must have selected it. So you drag it down here, drag it to a place where you give space for other pictures to come in, and also your title. Get. So what you do is to add another title, because this is basically about WordPress reset. You have to put the logo of WordPress here. So what you do is to still, like, for you to add another picture to this one, now you go to this place here, you go to stickers, you locate stickers here. This is sticker. You locate sticker, you click on sticker. When you click on sticker, you click this picture icon, then you click on this plus sign to add a picture, a sticker. This one here, as you can see, there are two pictures with WordPress logo. The other one is black, the other one is white. We cannot use this white. Why? Because if we use white, the background color will still be showing, and it will disturb our design. So we'll use this one now, this PNG form that we have removed the background, like I've already showed you. I'm going to drop the link to remove the background in the section, in the comment section. You select it here. Okay, this is it. It's down in the design, but we cannot leave it like this. We have to, like, adjust it. We have to adjust the picture so that it will fit in. You drag it like this. You get. You drag it. You leave it here. This is it. Let's leave it here. I think this is good here. Okay. So the next thing that we have to do is to put an arrow that will, like, link this WordPress to this reset here, that will make people understand that this is what this thumbnail is talking about. You still go over to your sticker. Everything sticker plays a very important role when designing your thumbnail using InShot. So you go over to your sticker again, you click on, like, locate this place, this emoji that have arrow here. This is it. Let's use this one now. This is the arrow that we're going to use. Let's select it. When you click on it here, as when you click on it here, it will now appear in the design, as you can see. And when it appears in the design, you cannot just leave it like, you have to drag it to position at this reset. So you still drag it like this, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it until you get the perfect position. Let's adjust this one here. Okay, this is it here. It's now, I think it's now looking good. Like when someone sees it, they'll know that this arrow is pointing towards this reset. It's perfect now. Then let's adjust this one a little bit. This, okay, this is it here. So the next thing that we're going to do is, if we don't want the background color to be like this, what you have to do is simple. Just go over to this place where it says background. You click on background, then you choose any color that you want. You choose any color that you want. You scroll down, you choose the perfect color that you want for your design. So let's go with green. Green will be perfect. This is it here. So this is it. It has it. Why is showing only this picture? Because this is the picture that we started with. Yeah, we started with this one, so that's why it's showing only. So when you mark good now, as you can see, everything is now showing, but this color here is not okay. You get, so it doesn't match. So let's choose another color. Let's try red. It won't still match. It won't still match. So let's choose white. White. Yeah, white will be the perfect background color for this design, due to the color combination and what we are trying to design here. So the next thing that you do is to, I'm just using this as a case study, as a story. You can choose the color that you want that will match your design. You get, when designing, you choose the one that will match your design. So the next thing that you have to do is to enter the title. When entering title, make it to be as simple as ABC. Don't go and jam pack your design with lots of title here. You can easily put WordPress reset, or how to reset a WordPress site, as simple as ABC. People understand that this is what you're talking about. Or you can easily put WordPress reset. So let's go with WordPress reset. I think this would be nice. WordPress reset. WordPress reset. Bam, this is it here. So we cannot leave it like this. We have to still resize it. We still have to resize it, resize it, resize it, resize it, resize it. This is it here. It's now looking perfect. But the color of this text doesn't match with our background color. Our background color is white, and we're using the same white one perfect. So we go for another color. This is it here. I think the best thing that we have to do now is to change this logo here to the one that will match with our design. Better still, let's check another background. Still not okay. Let's still choose another one that will match. Let's go with this. This is not okay. So we are left with no other option than to remove this one and add the one that have white background. The white background will even make it more visible for people. So let's add another one here. Okay, let's use this WordPress logo that have white background. Let's choose it here. Okay, this is it. So what we have to do is just reset it, as in resize it. Sorry, you resize it. Okay, this is it. It's now looking more better. You get, so let's increase the size of this arrow. This is it. So this is a simple. One thing about thumbnail, you need to make it simple but catch it. Like, let it pass the information that you want to pass on your video. Let it, like, when people see it, let them know that this is what this video is talking about, instead of you going about jam packing title and logos and the rest of that. Just make your logo title simple. This will be good for those that are actually making tech videos and also narrated videos. If you are making like entertainment, you can easily drag pictures that shows what your video is talking about and put it, and also add your title. You get? So let's leave it like this. I believe once someone go to YouTube, like once someone go to YouTube and search WordPress reset or how to reset a WordPress site, when they see this, they will surely try out your video, because it has like the logos and the symbols and everything that's in this design pass information about the kind of video that you are trying to make. Get? I believe this video was helpful to you, and now you can design a simple thumbnail with this app called Inshot. So after designing, all you have to do is to click on your save, and it will save. As you can see, saving now. Saving now. Let's view what we just did. This is it here. When someone see this, the color, the combination, and everything is perfect for them to like click your video and watch it on YouTube. If this is your first time here watching my video in this channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're actually a tech channel. We talk everything about tech. Like this video, comment, and if you have any question for us, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will gladly assist you. See you in my next video.